Welcome to our channel Life Insights. Now we are going to share our viewpoints on combustion as experienced by J. Krishnamurti, the great mystic. When the highest form of intelligence awakens in a human being, it is what combustion is. Combustion is the reality that runs throughout the whole existence. It connects the sun, moon, river, all that exists here. It is the underlying principle that unites the whole existence. We are with combustion. When J. Krishnamurti went through the process, he experienced combustion in his own being. He was one with combustion. Now, how to arrive at combustion? The non-dual experience is what combustion is. To be compassionate, we must be free from our own conditionings. Now, what are the conditioning that block a human being not to be compassionate? We divide the whole existence into fragmentations. We divide the human beings as white, black, etc. Our mind goes on dividing and dividing. We live in so many illusions. Hence, so many psychological problems are born. Hence, we feel that we are separated from the existence. We feel lonely. It is very much important. Why do we feel lonely? That means we are far away from the reality. We always feel the duality in our life. Compassion is that reality which unites us with the whole. It seems that we are the part of the existence, but in reality, we are the reality. Hence, we must remove all the illusions that separates us from the oneness of the whole existence. Compassion is that reality with which we are always living, but we are unaware of that. We can take the example of sun. Sun always gives energy to all the beings. It goes on giving its energy without any conditionings. Due to that, all the beings are surviving here. We as human beings never think about this. We use always the energy of sun, but we are not grateful to sun. We don't remember even sun exists here because we take it granted. So even though we are with combustion, we are unaware of that. J. Krishnamurti was always aware of combustion. Throughout his whole life, he was compassionate. Even at the age of 91, he came to Chennai and gave the last talks. He was going through fever. But even then, he undertook the long journey from USA. Then he delivered the last talk. In the last talk, he talked about creation. Now, creation is what compassion is. There is no difference between the source of creation and compassion. The purpose of life is to experience that compassion. Compassion is the only answer to all of our problems. if we uncondition our life, then we will be compassionate. If we are aware about our own thoughts, we will be able to go beyond the conditionings and we can be one with compassion. That is what J. Krishnamurti says. Once again, we will be coming up with another one video describing another one aspect of life. Thanks for watching.